Okay guys, here they are off of Amazon. Clear, but they light up red, brake light and reverse even in these. I will show you later in the video. Okay, 4.5-inch saw like this. The first thing we're gonna do here is I'm gonna remove the old lights. I'm not gonna show that, it's pretty straightforward. Couple screws, take the lens off. Let's get these off. Okay, got both the lights out. So as you can see, there's 3 wires here. One is for your lights, one is for your stop light and your blinkers, and one is for the reverse lights. I don't know which one's which yet. There's only 3 wires, so these are the positives, and then your ground, so your negative is the body of the Jeep, guys. So 3 wires coming out, and we're gonna have to create a 4th wire from the ground. And as you can see on these, there's 4 wires. I don't know what's what yet, but I will let you know. Okay, let's move on. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna cut it right here, snip, and then I'll have 3 wires ready to be connected and create a ground. All right, so I figured out where I want these. So we're basically gonna cut 2 nice holes out. There is some stuff back here. Hopefully there's enough room. If not, we're gonna get creative. Okay, I'm gonna drill these out. Okay, make sure you got eye protection because the metal splashes around. Beauty, check it out. So yes, it's very sharp and unnice edge. So what I'm gonna do, see, I got this like carbide tip. I'm gonna put it on the drill and I'm just gonna smooth this out. Pretty straightforward, both of them. See you guys soon. Okay, so that totally worked, nice and smooth. I also used a like round file, a big one, nice and smooth. So I mean, obviously you would have to use self-etching primer and then paint it, otherwise it's gonna rust here. You could get away with it because the light covers a whole bunch of it. In my case, I am repainting the whole Jeep, so I'm just gonna put the lights on and then later I'm gonna remove them when I paint the whole Jeep. In like a week or 2 I'm painting it. Okay, so see this rubber thing, right? So you basically put this in the hole, right? And then you squeeze this in there, which is really difficult to do, honestly. So what I did is I went to Canadian Tire, guys. See, and I bought these. They're only $11 each. See, they look like that. See, I like these bezels way better. I took all this apart, and this is all one piece. But I'm actually debating on maybe cutting this and sticking this inside of this so I can have a nice flush mount. Also, these actually look pretty good. I don't even know what to do now. I'm getting mixed feelings about what I want. Okay, I'm gonna go put these on roughly so you can kind of get the idea here. See you guys in a second. Okay, so here they are. So I mean, see, I'm not a big fan of this whole rubber situation, honestly. Not the biggest fan of that. Also, the second problem I'm having is, see, there is stuff here. So that's the second problem. But, okay, to get these in, honestly, Vaseline is your best friend to get them in there. And you might have to file the hole just a tiny bit bigger. Okay, let me throw this one on now. See, this is easy. You just have 3 holes and that's it. Okay, well, that looks way better. Look at that. Way, way better. I mean, the red looks good too, honestly. I'm getting mixed feelings about the clear lights now. So yeah, that works. The only problem with this one is it's even deeper, see? And in here, like, there's no way I'm putting this in here. So what I think I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna get under there and I'm gonna see if I can like move this over or remove it or something. That's like the evap system for the fuel tank. Maybe I can move it over an inch this way. Okay, I'll let you guys know what I did there. Oh yeah, and one other problem with these is there is no reverse lights, right? Those ones have reverse built into them and these don't. So I would have to put an extra reverse light somewhere. But that sure looks good. Man, I might even go with the red. I really don't know. Okay, so good news with this whole situation. So let me show you what I did. See, there's a little plate there. So that plate was right there. 1, 2, 3 bolts. So I got those off. Then I got this bolt off. And also there's a bolt under there. Can you see it? Anyways, it's under here. See, there is my fingers on it. I apologize if you can't see it. I loosened that one and look, this whole thing, see, slides back. So I might be able just to leave it where it is, but I'll just bring it back a bit. Like maybe I'll put like a bigger nut under here so this doesn't go in all the way, get it? See, look. So now I can push this whole thing in however much I need for the light. Okay, let me think of what I'm gonna do next. Okay guys, well, I'm also undecided about the spare tire. Do I want a spare tire? Do I not want a spare tire? I really don't know, but I think, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am painting the whole Jeep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull these out. I'm gonna put etching primer on the bare metal, which is a primer for bare metal. Then I'm gonna paint this. Then I'm gonna install these so that way they don't have to come off. You can remove this clip here, take the actual lens out, and I'm gonna paint this trim part and the Jeep all the same color. I'm painting it army color. So you'll see that later on in the series, guys. As far as the spare tire, I don't have a 5th tire, so that means I gotta spend, you know, $300 to get another tire. Plus, I kind of like the look of having the license plate in the middle. So that's gonna be another video, guys. But from this, you should be able to determine what lights you want. And yeah, I should be able to put all this back just using washers. So it's a little bit forward. Should be no issues. And that is that, guys. So thanks for watching, and check out the whole entire series on restoring this Jeep, guys. Thanks for watching.